The third natural resources, that is land. What is land made up of? Is land flat everywhere? What do you see on land? Does man produce soil or land? What has man created on land? If a deep pit is dug in the ground, what do you find there? Land is seen in the form of stones, soils, big rocks. It is not flat everywhere. It is hilly in some places and flat in others. All terrestrial animals, included man, live on land. How does terrestrial animals use land? Some terrestrial animals dig burrows in the ground for shelters, that is animals like rabbit and snakes. They make their own holes into deep in the soil. So this means that they use land for fulfilling their needs. Human beings also use land. We also use land for farming and for building houses and roads. In what other way the land is useful? We make use of plants of animals in the forest. They grow in the land. The mineral, crude oil and natural gas obtained from the earth are very important for us. It means that land is very important resource. Let's do an activity. Take a transparent plastic bottle and take some stones, sand, some dry leaves and waters. Cut off the upper tapering part of the bottle. Put the rest of the material in the lower part and add water. Now stir the mixture thoroughly and put it aside. Observe the bottle the next day and answer these questions. How does a mixture in the bottle look now? Do you see layers in the bottle? What do you see in the different layer of the top to bottom? Look at the picture alongside. If you notice carefully, layers of the various materials, whether the stones, the soil that we so a land also looks like this. If a pipeline is being laid, observe carefully. You will see some layers under the land surfaces. Different layers of the soil. As the land has mature soil, the topmost layer is formed in the decomposition of the remains of the plants and animals. What do you mean by decompositions? The plants and animals die, microorganisms eat into it, so they turn into soil. So this layer is called as, it is usually found in dense forest, that is thick forest. The land below this is full of sand, soil, small stones, worms and insects. Soil and pieces of bedrocks are found below the layer of land. Now this soil is immature. Further below this layer, the proportion of the soil decreases and that of rock increases. That is the layer of bedrock. The main minerals in the soil are derived from these rocks. They get all our minerals from these rocks. This is the reason why soil in the different region is different. The color and texture of the soil are both different by the bedrock.